People ask one simple question: does God really exist? Some say, we believe only what we see. But let me ask you something. Can you see your mind? Can you see gravity? Can you see love? No, but you feel them, you experience them, and yet you never doubt their existence. Now look at the universe. Perfect balance, perfect timing. One small mistake, and life would not exist. Do you really think this level of perfection came from nothing? If you find a mobile phone in the desert, you never say, oh, it made itself. You say, someone designed this? So how can a human being, more complex than any machine, have no creator? In pain, people pray. In danger, people call God. In happiness, people forget Him. But deep inside, every heart knows one truth. We are not alone. God does not need to prove His existence. We are the proof. The real question is not, does God exist? The real question is, are we willing to accept Him